Tourist dyddi yma o maes awyr Brussel efo mascots bach yma, stryrth. Ni gyrraedd am 14 bore yma, felly da ni'n reit gysglyd ond yn edrych ymlaen at ddiwrnod yn yr wyl.
He just ran away with my Welsh lessons. I, Yo Mandela, the guardian on the mountain where my grandmother lived upon her death, a mountain of broken eye, Erin Gallen. I promise to have my revenge in this life. I'm not waiting for the next. This is my dream. I stand here and feel that woman like always speaking of that. Life from the NHS or something.